Alright, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you clicking on this video. We got a good one for you guys today. We're going to do a lime green laminate with black, and we're going to do purple and blue flakes in that sucker. So obviously the first thing we need is some plastisol. We're going with Red Label Medium from Dead On Plastic. 2 measuring cups because it's laminate style. We're going slightly above half cup here in both of them. I'm only going to nuke 1 cup right now because I want to try to get the lime green first. Got to mix yellow and blue together to make lime green. We'll get that down first and then we'll make the black. So let me nuke 1 cup real quick. Alright, so first we're going to go in with some yellow. I'm going to do about 10 drops here, start off with. See how that's looking. Stir it up. That already looks good to me. Now, let's add our blue to try to make some lime green. I'll add three drops first because you can always add more. You can't take away. So let's start with 3 drops here. Stir it up. Oh yeah, that's already money right there. That's already money. Look at that. Lime green. I think that is spot on. That's exactly how I want it. I'm happy with that. Alright, so that's good. Well, let me nuke the 2nd cup for the black. While that one's getting nuked, we're going to go ahead and oil down our molds. Brush them down. Going to make some laminate stick baits today. Close them up. Rub them down for good luck. Laminates are hard to shoot. Clamp these suckers down as good as you can. Let's wait on the plastisol to cook so we can start adding the black. Alright, 2nd cup is nuked to 350. We're going to add some black from Dead On Plastic. I'm going to do about 20 drops in here. Stir it up. Black, nothing really special. Time for the flakes here. We'll start off with purple. Glue It Works. We'll do a little bit more in the black because it's harder to see the flakes in the black. Blue. Glue It Works. Give them both a little stir it up. Stir it up. Wear a glove, guys. Wear gloves. Here's the black with the flakes. Here's that lime green, purple and blue. Alright, I'm going to nuke the lime green one again for a little bit because ideally you want both of them to kind of be the same temperatures when you shoot. So I'm going to go ahead and nuke this one again for like 15 seconds. This one's still good. Actually, I'm going to add another scoop of the blue to this. So they're both pretty much almost at the same exact temperature. Give them one more quick stir here. And time for the dual injector part. Into the injector. Squeeze a little bit out. Dual injector attachment. Can't forget this. And shoot the mold. The goal here, the trick here is to try to do even pressure on both injectors. Constant pressure down when it's down. Top it off. And dang it. It dried up too quick for me. That's a fail. I have to redo that one. This is what the inside of the dual attachment looks like. Alright, so let's let this cool down. This is the one that only shot. This one I have no faith in. So future reference for me, I'll probably only do one mold at a time. It is what it is. Let's take a look when it cools down. All right, it's cool to the touch. Go ahead and declamp them. Let's do the one that I know didn't get any in it. I mean, it got stuff in there, but as you can see, on this channel we like to show the good and the ugly. See all these dents everywhere? This one wasn't half bad. Look at that first one. First one turned out pretty good. Black, lime, nice little laminate on it. But the tip on it is completely hollow. So yeah, this one is also a fail. Can you hear it? Epic fail on this one as well. And the one I think we did alright on. Oh yeah. Black side. Flip her over. And lime green side. Oh boy. Turned out great. Here you can see the laminate on it. Hold on. Flipped it on its side so you can see the laminate. Green. Black. Lime green. Black. Sweet. Alright, let me shoot a couple more of these and then we'll go ahead and take it out into the natural light, see what they're looking like. And take a look at these suckers. Black, lime green. Black and lime green laminate. These suckers look sweet. Awesome. Turned out pretty freaking sweet, man. Gotta say. What do you guys think? Think these suckers will catch bass? Or chunk them straight into the trash? Whoo. Oh yeah. Alright, if you stayed this long into the video, I appreciate you. I salute you. Thank you guys so much. Make sure y'all like this video. Subscribe if you're loving the content. I would appreciate it. Definitely stay tuned for more. I post daily shorts. Check those out. And until the next one. Peace. Oh.